What if two exponential equations hide a surprisingly simple result? In this video, we are going to determine the value of the product x times y, knowing that 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 125, and 5 raised to the power of y is equal to 128. Stay with me, because what looks complicated at first will collapse into a very elegant number. We start by considering the first equality. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 125. We introduce the logarithm with base 2. The logarithm base 2 of 2 raised to the power of x is equal to the logarithm base 2 of 125. By definition of the logarithm, this implies that x is equal to the logarithm base 2 of 125. Now we apply the same reasoning to the second equality. 5 raised to the power of y is equal to 128. We introduce the logarithm with base 5. The logarithm base 5 of 5 raised to the power of y is equal to the logarithm base 5 of 128. This implies that y is equal to the logarithm base 5 of 128. Now we combine the two results. The product x times y is equal to the logarithm base 2 of 125 times the logarithm base 5 of 128. We now rewrite each logarithm using decimal logarithms. The logarithm base 2 of 125 is equal to the decimal logarithm of 125 divided by the decimal logarithm of 2. The logarithm base 5 of 128 is equal to the decimal logarithm of 128 divided by the decimal logarithm of 5. So the product x times y is equal to the decimal logarithm of 125 divided by the decimal logarithm of 2 times the decimal logarithm of 128 divided by the decimal logarithm of 5. Now we rewrite the numbers using powers. 125 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3. 128 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 7. This gives x times y is equal to the decimal logarithm of 5 raised to the power of 3 divided by the decimal logarithm of 2 times the decimal logarithm of 2 raised to the power of 7 divided by the decimal logarithm of 5. Using logarithmic properties, this becomes x times y is equal to 3 times the decimal logarithm of 5 divided by the decimal logarithm of 2 times 7 times the decimal logarithm of 2 divided by the decimal logarithm of 5. Now everything simplifies perfectly. The decimal logarithm of 5 cancels out, and the decimal logarithm of 2 also cancels out. We are left with x times y is equal to 3 times 7. This means x times y is equal to 21. Even though the problem involved exponentials and logarithms, the final result turned out to be remarkably simple. The product x times y is equal to 21. If you enjoyed this kind of clever logarithmic trick, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves mathematical surprises. More elegant math is coming very soon. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.